Thank you, Matt.
Wait.
Is there a fellow behind the camera? It's crazy.
Oh my god.
This joke isn't funny anymore.
Just kidding.
It's LeBron! What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? My lip gloss is still.
I'm gonna jump in that area.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, yeah, that's it. That's it. Our neighbor. Why so serious? Okay. Wipe your hands, mushrooms. Let's move. If I get touched again, can't hear you, stupid fucking listen up. So shush. Get your egg off my face. Why? Get your eggs off my face. If I get your eggs off my face. Get your eggs off my face. You're rubbing your eggs on me. Stop it. Now. Stop it.
Now. Stop it. Now. Now.
You're pouring your stop. Great work.
Nick, you're awesome. Great work. You fucking Sturniolo.
I will rip
your eye
Out of your head.
so you can experience my experience for 1 fucking minute.
Who is it?
Who the fuck is it? Own up to it now.
We skipped the round.
Can I see the box with no eyes on my head? Mix it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Shut up! I'm gonna shut the fuck up! That what does he is in front of Chris, stop! Oh! Really hit Saturn. What is it? What is it? He rid me of this pumpkin flavor! You have one? Alright. Hold on, Nick! What are you? I'm still on You're yelling. Ready? It's burnt. It's burnt. It's all like it was. Good, but it's like pinching your nose is a cheat, motherfucker. Let go. Stupid. Matt, what? Bruh. I'm pushing the leg. Stupid. You're both looking at me like I'm supposed to say something. Nick, you won't. Stop, Nick. I need the hat. Don't bring that. Don't bring that. No, I can't do it.
I can't believe it. No, Nick, no, I need it for the rest of the video, Nick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Funny.